Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through a listing by Dan Easterby at 316 Hilltop. So cute, Gambrel, Big Bear City, 359. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street and the address 316 Hilltop. So this is going to be a Gambrel home over in the Big Bear City neighborhood. It is very unique inside because most Gambrels are very sectioned off and your kitchen is far away from your living room. So I cannot wait for you to check this out. For property lines, we're likely looking somewhere around here on this side. And we are on a small little curved street in Big Bear City, kind of we are south of Big Bear Boulevard, and we are kind of up on a hillside too. So we've got some really nice treetop views, really nice mountaintop views, new construction going on right across the street. And we've got a curved driveway right here too, circular. So great decking. This one is currently used as a vacation rental. So on this side, if you were just to look at this side, you think it was a Dutch gambrel, right? Because you have the two windows up top. Door would be right here, but it is, regardless, it's a gambrel. And then as far as the property line over here, we've got somebody moving out over here, but it's going to be right where that fence line is. So, and then here we are. So you probably have about 3 or 4 parking spots that you can park at. And this one is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So really unique, a couple unique things about it. Here we have the front door, but technically like this would be the front door. But I like that they have this little covered entry area to kind of just sit out here and enjoy the snow if you wanted to. This is a cute little idea for holding brooms and such. And we got a little AstroTurf out here. And so this is not included in part of the square footage, but we do have a sliding glass door so we can get out to the deck if we wanted to. I think it's a sliding glass door. Don't quote me on that. It looks like one, but I don't want to push it to see if it operates like one. So here we have the entry. Super cute, kind of like got like a vintage retro vibe in here. What I like about it is that, let me close that door. You've got the living room, dining room, and kitchen all together, as well as a slider to get out on the back side porch. So let us kind of look this way first. You've got the TV mounted here. Good windows, good lighting, and kind of like some fun furniture too. That's funny. This is like kind of got a 70s vibe on the brick that they used for the fireplace. It does have a gas starter, so it would burn easily. And then right here is going to be our heating system. So this is going to be a wall heater. Most gambrels are wall heaters. All that heat's going to rise, going to heat the area upstairs. And they have like a little sitting area. Things for people to do and watch while they're up here. A little under storage area. Got extra paint. Just kind of all the boring stuff. Nice little ski rack. fix my adjustments real quick. And I like that they painted the paneling this like white cream color, because it's got a really a light and bright vibe to it. Also, we do have linoleum floors here. Got a little bit of carpet upstairs, a little bit of separation in some areas, but that's pretty easy to fix. Dining room. Be nice if this kind of came over so that people could eat at countertop. Got like I might even want to just check this whole thing, open up the kitchen a little bit more, because it is, I mean, not wide. Not that it has to be wide, but I think you could just do away with that. These are Formica countertops. I like this little area too. Very cute, very 70s. And then back here we've got the fridge, barbecue utensils, little splash guard for the dishwasher, or for the oven. Kind of tight, but I mean, it's supposed to be uncomfortable. I think, you know, a small cabin's not supposed to be the size of your house. This, I think, comes down, it's like a cookbook thing. So I'm going to take you outside afterwards. So here is the unpainted paneling. So we get to see both of those. But first, let's go into the bathroom. So tile flooring in here. And we've got some nice wainscoting, paneling, an owner closet right here. This is going to be a granite countertop. And we do have like older school ceiling lighting. This, I don't see a thermostat for that in here. So maybe it runs off of the main one too. And then here, we do have like a new plasticky looking insert. Very clean tub. A little bit of older tile up here, but it's not the worst thing that I've ever seen. That lighting is something though. Nice storage all throughout. And then these are cute too. Just little storage areas. And the windows, let me check the windows. So the windows are single pane. Single pane. All right, so now let's go up. One thing you will notice is the 70s carpet. But we have some vaulted ceilings. Coming upstairs, and it is a legal 2-bedroom. A lot of times people have a loft and a bedroom. This one's a legal 2-bedroom. So coming up, you can fit 4 or 5 people in here, because you got 3 twins right here, and then a queen here. They have really cute little, just vintage things. It's interesting, they have like this tile right at the door. Very tastefully decorated. And with a little sitting area right here, with a TV and a couch. And I'm going to take you over here, and then we'll go back outside to see the deck here shortly. So here we are in the second bedroom, king bed, possibly even a queen or California king. But I love the open ceilings in here. It's a very unique layout. They do have this locked off as a private closet. I love, love, love this lamp. That is really cool. All right, so let's just check out here. Let's see what's going on. So just like a skinny little area. Seems safe. Good area to see. The roof looks good. A little bit of paint work that needs to be done right here. Chip paint. We do have wires. Paint job on the house itself looks like it's actually in good shape too. So then from here, I'm going to take you back downstairs. Slider's a little bit tricky. And then we'll go to the spa area. But just take a moment to like really appreciate how this is open, because if you've seen as many gambrels as I've seen, they're not open like this. Also, that's interesting. You could probably do something, I mean, just tear down that lighting that they have up there and upgrade it pretty easily, I think. So here we are, back deck, backyard. Gonna have our water heater right here. So your property line's pretty much right here. So most of the land is gonna be in the front. The hot tub. And then let us check out the deck too while we're here. And the deck feels really strong, sturdy. Good views out this way too, and all around. One thing to note, you do have a little bit of dry rot right here, but not the worst thing I've ever seen. So there you have it. 316 Hilltop.